What's up, guys? Authentic Sports Cards here. Just wanted to do a quick little box break of a box I had laying around here. I was going through some stuff of cards and bought this from my local shop a couple months ago. Never opened it. Thought maybe I was going to give it as one of the prizes in the 500 sub contest, which is going well so far. After a week, I'm up to 375 subs, I think, at the time of this video, so 125 to go. Keep up the good work. Keep those video responses coming to level 4. A couple guys have actually completed up to level 5, so check out level 1. I'll put the link in the description box, and keep up the good work. Thanks, guys. So this is this box break of Fleer Ultra SE 2007. 4 memorabilia cards per box. Guess there's autographed Ultra Rookies that you look for in here. So never opened this stuff, and actually I don't even think I have a card in my personal collection from this, so let's give it a shot and see what it looks like. I think this is like not that expensive of a box. I mean, don't even know what possibly if there's any big hits in here that you can get, but we'll see in a second if this one was any good. How many packs in here? 5 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Let's see what we get. There's definitely more than 5 cards, it seems, in here. I guess it's maybe the base cards aren't counted in it. Got this Feel the Game, Jason Schmidt. Looks like an error card, actually, on one side. Look at this. It says Jason Schmidt for the Dodgers, but on the back it's Weaver's information. I'm gonna put that aside and look that up. Alright, here's a hit. It's a Pedro Martinez jersey card. And we got a lot of base. Oh, looks like I got a printing plate. Yep, a 101. Check this out, 101 printing plate. The black printing plate for Jason Schmidt of the Los Angeles Dodgers, which, oh, that's not that card. I thought maybe it had something to do with this card here, but I guess not. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Not bad. Any Jason Schmidt fans out there? Probably be putting that up on the website. Ultra Rookies, Montero on the Diamondbacks. Doesn't look like they're numbered. That's some of the rookie cards that are in them. Let's see what we got in the next pack. Since I'm not familiar with this, I'm probably going to have to go through it again and make sure there was nothing numbered or special in there. Faces of the Game, Tom Glavine, that's an insert. I know that these sometimes are jersey cards. Alright, we got a redemption card of 2007 Fleer Ultra SE Baseball Ultimate Rookie Autos. A varied numbering, John Danks, which has not expired yet. 7/6/2010. That's pretty cool. So I got a 101 and a redemption so far. Let's see if any rookie cards in here. The rookie card is Benias on the Phillies. Oh, not too bad. Take it. Redemption and printing plate. trying to look in case there's a variation of one of these bases in here that are numbered or something like that. Looks like an insert card of Cal Ripken Jr. Iron Man. A Travis Buck rookie card. Here's a jersey hit of Nick Swisher. That's A's. Base. Another rookie card of Sean Henn on the Yankees. That's 6 minutes. Not too bad. I'm kind of going slower just because I'm not familiar with this box and trying not to miss anything. Dual jersey number 6 of 75, Vernon Wells from the Blue Jays. Let's see, the rookie card, Gustavo Molina for the White Sox. And last pack, let's see what we got here. I guess there should be another jersey card in here somewhere. Another one of these Cal Ripken inserts. A Travis Hafner Sweet Kings jersey card. No numbering. Let's see if there's another rookie card in here. Oh, and this is alright, not bad. I guess these are a specialty rookie card in there called Lucky 13. Daisuke Matsuzaka. So that's not too bad of a hit in there towards the end. Little ding on the back. Not too bad. I'm sure that has to be worth something. So that's it. Got a 1/1, a redemption John Danks, Daisuke Ultra 13 rookie card, a couple game year jerseys, so not bad product. Let me see if I missed something in this first pack here. That might have been another rookie. Nope. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the link to the sub contest on the side. Let's keep going on that and get it to 500. Alright, good night.